In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with PayPal balance instead of a credit or debit card. Now, before you do this, you need to make sure that you do verify your PayPal account. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and open up the PayPal application, go to the bottom menu and select over here where it does say more. Then it is going to bring you a page that does look like this. And all we need to do is we need to go ahead and select on wallet right over here. And then it is going to open up something that does look like this. Now from here, all you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down. And when you scroll all the way down, you will now see a section that does say preferences. And over here, we basically need to change our preferences so that whenever we do make purchases, PayPal actually does use our PayPal balance instead of a credit or debit card. So you want to go ahead and select on online purchases, or you guys could select on in-person and a QR code purchases. And basically, once you go ahead and press on that, then you should see the option that does say PayPal balance. Now, unfortunately for my screen, it doesn't appear, and that is because I'm not able to verify my PayPal account due to personal reasons. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.